So how do you allow location permission on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed and a part of this community so you don't miss anything important. Okay, so there are more places where you can do this. Obviously, within individual applications, you have the ability to change the settings, but the best way by far is by going to these settings and then checking out the privacy and security section. At the top of the list, we have the location services, which you can turn on or off, like generally for every app on the iPad, or much better, it is to scroll through a little bit and check out the individual applications. In there, you can manage it specifically. For example, you get to pick that apps like weather or I don't know, like maps are going to be able to access your location, but some random applications which seemingly don't need it, you can turn it off for those. Obviously, the choice is yours, so you get to pick and decide how exactly you want to have it. But at the end of the day, this is the best way to check it out. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your iPad and if you made it work, right? And in case of any questions, let me know about those below as well, as I'm really curious and I would really love to help you out with that. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.